let's show respect to our leaders. Yes? And I'm going to refer to something which has been happening within the last week, where our very senior leaders of the party are being referred to with very, very vituperative remarks. I'll refer to two verses in the Bible. Exodus 22:28, which says that if you look down or talk badly about leaders, you're disobeying God. And I will also quote the book of Ecclesiastes 10 verse 20, which says, never say bad things, or even in the cover of your own house, think badly about leaders. When we elected President Ruto, it was a joint ticket with the deputy president. It's called the presidency. So you can't claim that you're preparing yourself, that you want to be president in 2032, and you start abusing and calling our deputy president names. We will not allow you. Do your job, the job that you've been given at the moment, before you start talking badly, or whether you want to be a president in 2032. And I know you know what I mean.
I understand.
Our city is in disproportionate array. Things are not happening. The city is dirty, garbage everywhere. Do that job before you start talking. I'd like to urge the rest of the country that follow the good example of Homa Bay, where we are campaigning peacefully. People are joining the party passionately and peacefully.